Hi, my name is Tanya. Let's look at the top 25 stocks for this year. We can learn a lot from studying the top 25 stocks. In order to find the top 25 stocks, I'm going to use the sort function called YTD, which stands for year to date. So here is a list of stocks that are sorted by YTD, which is this column right here. Let's look at the first stock, CODX. In 1 year, it's gone up 1400%. On this day, in a single day, it made a move of 106%. Initially, it was trading at $1, and now it's trading at $13+. So let's look at the next stock, AHPI, which is up 977%. On this day, it went up 93% in 1 day. And if we look at this bar here, it went up 321% in 1 day. Let's look at the next stock, VXRT. It's up 802% in 1 year. We can look at this move. In 1 day, it went up 36%. Or on this move, in 1 day, it went up 63%. The fourth stock, NVAX, is up 440%. If we look at this candle bar right here, it's in 1 day it was up 20%. The next stock, LTRPB, is up 436% in 1 year. And you can see this, it made a huge move here of 628% in 1 day. So let's look at the next stock, TRIL. It's up about 314% this year. It made a big move here of 93%. APT is up 300%. We can look at this move. It made 40% move here. This stock, CEMI, this month, it's up 400%. Then we can look at NVC. In 1 day, it made a 152% move. Here, today, it made another 33% move. And you have ADAP. Over here, another big move, 200% move. The stock INO is up 200% this year. You can see here it made a move. Then you have RCUS, and there's a big move here of 89%. NLS went up 188% this year, made a big move here of 39%, and another move here of 56%. Then you have VSTM, also went up 184% this year. BMRA went up 166% this year. There's a move here of 334%. We can look at the next stock, KALA. It's up 157%. You can see big move here, 26% move, 17% move, 26% move again. Then next stock, BLPH, which is up here 168% move. It's up 152% this year. Then you have mRNA, which is up this year 151%. VIR made a big move here of 60%. Then SMMT also big move here of 63% in 2 days. CGEN is up 134% this year. Here made move of 100%. PSTI is also up 133% this year. Then you have CTSO, another stock, 118% move this year. ZM, 110%. There was a move here, 22%, move here, 14% move. Yep. VNET went up 109% this year. There's a move here of 19%. There's a move here of 17%. By studying the top 25 stocks every day, you can understand the nature of moves. This helps you in finding similar kind of stocks and making big money in the market. So make a habit of studying the top 25 stocks every day. Thank you and have a great day.